इतिहास में आज पहली बार इंश्योरेंस अलर्ट्स मनाने जा रहा है फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंश्योरेंस अवार्ड्स, और वो भी टीवी पर। आज के इस कार्यक्रम में हम इंश्योरेंस इंडस्ट्री से सर्वश्रेष्ठ इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज, बैंक इंश्योरेंस पार्टनर्स, एजेंट्स, ब्रोकर्स, टीपीएस, इन सभी लोगों को सम्मानित कर रहे हैं। To inaugurate the Festival of Insurance Awards, I would like to call upon the chief guest, Mr. Vignesh Shahane, MD CEO of IDBI Federal Life Insurance Company. Let's connect.
Hello everyone. My name is Vignesh Shahane and I am the CEO and MD of IDBI Federal Life Insurance Company. It gives me great pleasure and it's an honor to inaugurate this reward and recognition platform organized by Insurance Alerts and Vivek Jain to recognize the best insurance company, the best intermediary, the best broker, the best TPA and also the best bank insurance partner. Having been a part of the industry for the last 15 years plus, I know exactly how difficult, challenging and competitive it is. It is these very things that make this award extremely coveted. So well done to all the award winners. Awards are a wonderful way of recognizing your past achievements, your past milestones, all the good things you've done in the past. But more importantly, they are a great motivation to spur you on, to raise the bar, to go better, to perform your highest level every day, and to do even better than you did before. This is one of the few award platforms that I know of that is being held bang in the middle of this pandemic, corona pandemic that we find ourselves in. And what a great motivation, what a great inspiration to all of us that we are recognized and we are inspired and motivated and rewarded in these challenging times. In the insurance industry, we have a very important role to play, not only in good times, but also in challenging times such as these. Amongst all the negatives that we're hearing about for the last 7 or 8 months, the one positive that's come is an uptick in the insurance industry. This is mainly because of two reasons. First being a greater awareness of health and term protection products because of what's going on around us. And two, because almost all insurance players in the insurance industry as a whole has accelerated its digital journey. This has resulted in some of the players showing good growth over the same time last year, and the huge thumbs up to the industry. Finally, I would like to end by again congratulating all the winners. This is a good award and it's come in extremely difficult times. And I would like to commend Vivek Jain and the team Insurance Alerts for having made this possible in these challenging times. Thank you.
अवार्ड की एक विशेष अहमियत होती है, चाहे वो किसी भी फील्ड के लिए क्यों ना हो। आप जिस कार्य के लिए समर्पित होते हैं, उसी कार्य से संबंधित अगर कोई संस्था या समाज आपके कार्य को सहराता है तो उसी को असली अवार्ड कहा जाता है। अवार्ड जीतने की एक विशेषता ये भी है कि वो हमारे बीते गए वर्षों में किए गए कार्य के लिए हमें सम्मानित करता है और कई लोगों के लिए उनके आने वाले वर्षों में प्रेरित यानी कि मोटिवेट करता है। अवार्ड सम्मान और प्रोत्साहन के साथ साथ आपकी जिंदगी में प्रसिद्धि यानी फेम भी लाता है, और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण चीज जो एक अवार्ड लाता है वो आपको आपके क्षेत्र में सर्वोपरि बना देता है, which means it establishes you as a brand as well as an authority in your field. तो चलिए आज के फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंश्योरेंस अवार्ड्स 2020 की शुरुआत करते हैं। Our first category of award is for India's best bank insurance partner. Under the category of nationalized bank, the award goes to State Bank of India, who are the bank insurance partners for SBI General Insurance Company. Can you please give them a round of applause? Under the category of foreign banks, the award goes to Standard Chartered Bank, who are the bank insurance partners for ICICI Prudential Life Insurance Company. Can we please give them a round of applause? The Bank Assurance Ratna Award, which goes to ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company for general insurance and Care Health Insurance Company Limited for health insurance.
Thank you, Team Insurance Alerts. We at Care Health Insurance are honored to receive the Best Health Insurance Award for my insurance business. It is indeed a proud moment for all at CARE to be recognized for this credible platform. I take this opportunity to truly thank all our banking partners for their continued support in helping us build a strong franchise. This award only motivates the team further to work closely with each of our banking partners and continue to demonstrate the true spirit of CARE in every aspect of work that we do. Once again, a big thank you to the jury and the team of Insurance Alerts. Thank you.
Hi everyone. First of all, I'd like to thank the efforts of the bancassurance team of CARE Health Insurance. It surely wouldn't have been possible without the unconditional support we get from our valuable bancassurance partners, the most aggressive team we have on the ground, and the back-end teams in the company who've been supporting this initiative, which is technically the claims team, which is the marketing team, the IT team, and the operations team. Once again, thanks a lot for recognizing our efforts, and we would strive to become better in this space and take the initiative forward and keep the flag high for it.
Looking for videos on insurance? Your one-stop shop with more than 50 videos on insurance. You can watch interviews with CEOs, CMOs, COOs, CDOs, educational programs on products, selling, marketing, etc. by insurance gurus. We present to you Insurance Alerts broadcast on YouTube. अवार्ड की एक विशेष अहमियत होती है, चाहे वो किसी भी फील्ड के लिए क्यों ना हो। आप जिस कार्य के लिए समर्पित होते हैं, उसी कार्य से संबंधित अगर कोई संस्था या समाज आपके कार्य को सराहता है, तो उसी को ही असली अवार्ड कहा जाता है। अवार्ड जीतने की एक विशेषता ये भी है कि वो हमारे बीते गए वर्षों में किए गए कार्यों के लिए हमें सम्मानित करता है और कई लोगों के लिए उनके आने वाले वर्षों में प्रेरित यानी कि मोटिवेट करता है। Our next category of award is for the best TPA. The first award for Asia's best TPA goes to Paramount Health Services and Insurance TPA Private Limited. Let's cheer them. The second India's Best TPA Awards 2020 goes to MediAssist Insurance TPA Private Limited. For the best claim management, the award goes to MD India Health Insurance TPA Private Limited. For best government initiative, the award goes to Family Health Plan Insurance TPA Limited.
नमस्कार, FHPL की तरफ से हम सभी आपका आभार व्यक्त करते हैं इस पुरस्कार के लिए। उत्तराखंड, गुजरात, पंजाब और आसाम जैसे राज्यों में भारत सरकार के नवीनतम फ्लैगशिप स्कीम प्रधानमंत्री जन आरोग्य योजना में काम करना हमारे लिए सौभाग्य की बात रही है। साथ ही पश्चिम बंगाल के स्वास्थ्य साथी योजना में भी काम करना हमारे लिए बहुत गौरव की बात रही है। वर्तमान में FHPL 5 राज्यों में काम कर रही है। सरकार प्रायोजित स्वास्थ्य सेवाओं में हमारे संचयित अनुभवों में 13 से ज्यादा राज्य, 200 से ज्यादा जिले, 275 मिलियन परिवारों से ज्यादा लाभार्थियों की सेवा, 2 मिलियन स्मार्ट कार्डों का मुद्रण एवं वितरण और 10 मिलियन गोल्डन कार्ड का निर्माण शामिल है। यह हमारे लिए बहुत ही गौरव की बात रही है। एक बार फिर से इस पुरस्कार के लिए हम सभी आपका आभार व्यक्त करते हैं।
And for the best emerging TPA, the award goes to Good Health Insurance TPA Limited.
Thank you, Insurance Alerts. Thank you very much for this wonderful festival of awards and recognizing Good Health Insurance TPA as the best emerging TPA of the year. This is a big moment of pride for the entire Good Health family. Thank you very much. Good Health is one of the fastest growing TPAs in the country and also fast becoming the most sought after TPA. Innovative and ever evolving technology is the backbone of Good Health in delivering quick and transparent services to its customers. The credit for this entire success goes to our team of committed employees, insurers, intermediaries, customers, and the hospitals who have always reposed trust in us and helped us to grow. While we thank you all, we are also aware that this award puts a bigger onus on us. We assure you that we will live up to your expectations in creating a win-win situation for all the stakeholders by a perfect balance between the cost optimization and customer service. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Our next category is India's second best Insurance Brokers Award 2020. To inaugurate this, I would like to welcome Mr. Chintan Mehta, CEO of AHI Insurance Brokers Private Limited. Let's welcome him.
I'm very happy to inaugurate Insurance Alerts India's Best Insurance Broker Awards 2020. As the custodian of insured's interest, broking fraternity plays a pivotal role in the insurance sector. Today, Insurance Alerts is honoring the best of the best. Let's see who amongst my fellow colleagues, fellow brokers, are winning these prestigious awards today. All the very best to all the brokers. May the best firm win.
For claim management, the award goes to Anand Rathi Insurance Brokers Limited. For group business and innovative ideas, the award goes to Epoch Insurance Brokers Private Limited.
Hello everyone, I am Pankaj Chauhan, CEO and MD of Epoch Insurance Brokers. We are honored to be recognized as the best insurance brokers for innovation and group businesses by Insurance Alerts. We take this opportunity to thank our customers, employees and all stakeholders who have encouraged us to keep doing the best for our industry. As a leading insurance broking firm, our innovation and problem-solving approach helps group businesses to cope up with their respective challenges effectively. It is our commitment and assurance that very soon we are coming up with our upgraded website where anyone, be it individual, group or corporate, would be able to analyze and understand their insurance requirements on the spot. Our approach to deliver on time, every time justifies our tagline. I congratulate all the participants for their contribution and achievements. We wish for the betterment of our industry. Thank you.
Category of award for India's Best Insurance Agent, sponsored by Edelweiss Tokyo Life Insurance Company, goes to Mr. Puneet Chordia from Jaora, Reshma Jitendra Kataria from Mumbai.
I thank Insurance Alert for awarding us the Best Insurance Agent from Mumbai Zone, and also appreciate its efforts in organizing the one-of-its-kind Agents Award across India, which no one have done previously. All the very best to Insurance Alert team, and really appreciated the efforts which it takes to organizing such a type of events. Good luck, Insurance Alert team. Thank you from Kataria Insurance Group.
From Mumbai, Mr. Sanjay Giri Goswami from Surat, Mr. Yashovardhan Kanodia from Kolkata, Mr. Mukesh Kumar Shamsukha from Raipur, Messrs. Best Advisors from New Delhi, Messrs. Insurance House Care Health Insurance Company.
We would like to thank the jury and Insurance Alert for this honor. This wouldn't have been possible without Care Health Insurance. Excellent track record, investment in technology, service in excellence, and over 24 lakh claims service. Thank you.
I would like to thank the jury and especially the Insurance Alerts for this honor. This won't be possible with the help of Care Health Insurance, which is formerly known as Religare Health Insurance. We are here only because of Care Health Insurance, their support system, their claim system, and especially the IT. So thank you once again, everybody.
We would like to thank the jury and Insurance Alerts for this honor. This would not have been possible without the proven track record of Care Health Insurance Limited. With over 24 lakh claims service, this is the second largest standalone health insurance company. It is the fastest company to reach break-even. Thank you.
Our next category of awards are for Indian companies winning Asia's Best General Insurance Award. To inaugurate this section, we have with us Mr. Rajiv Dogra, CDO of Raheja QB General Insurance Company. Please welcome him.
Hi everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to inaugurate the Festival of Insurance Awards. In fact, Insurance Alerts and Vivek and his team have done a commendable job of organizing these very eagerly awaited events. These bring the insurance industry and its various participants together on a common platform where both camaraderie and competition are palpable. Insurers, brokers, TPAs, bancassurance partners and agents vie for these top awards. The winners and all the nominees are equally benefited, and so is the customer, who incidentally happens to be the common as consumer of insurance products and claim services rendered by these participants. Now, these challenging times have seen these players incorporate the best practices in the form of digitization and remote services. The industry has indeed lived up to the expectations of consumers despite these challenges. This, I'm sure, shall continue through and beyond this pandemic through sheer grit and determination of the industry. These initiatives of recognition through awards are having a very, very welcome outcome, which is namely industry benchmarking, innovation, higher employee engagement, brand building, and enhanced credibility for the participants. The goalposts, though, remain dynamic, and this necessarily leads to better products, services, processes, turnaround times, and ultimately a more refined customer journey. I would like to extend congratulations once again to Team Insurance Alerts and all the winners today. In fact, all the nominees as well for taking this event to a very, very different level. Best wishes everyone, please stay safe, and thank you very much. Bye-bye.
The award for Asia's Best General Insurance Company goes to Reliance General Insurance Company Limited. For CSR activity, the award goes to SBI General Insurance Company Limited.
I am glad and honored to have received this award of Asia's Best General Insurance Company for CSR activity. I would like to thank Insurance Alerts for the same. At SBI General, we are committed to serve the most vulnerable communities and people at risk with sustainable interventions that help in transforming lives. And it is especially humbling to be recognized for it. I am certain that with same commitment, like we say at SBI General, we will continue with serving communities and transforming lives. Dono. Thank you.
For bancassurance, the award goes to Cholamandalam MS General Insurance Company Limited. For claim management, the award goes to Future Generalite General Insurance Company Limited. For mobile applications, the award goes to Shriram General Insurance Company Limited. The award for Asia's Best Health Insurance Company for innovative efforts goes to Max Bupa Health Insurance Company Limited. Wake up with insurance news at 6:30 AM only on Insurance Alert. We are India's largest and Asia's second largest, most dedicated insurance news platform. We have a reach to over 1.5 lakh of people, which includes 1.2 lakh of insurance agents from 200 towns. Insurance Alert now spreads to over 20 countries. So you can now download our mobile app from Play Store, or you can visit our website at www.insurancealerts.com. Our next category are for the Indian companies winning Asia's Best Life Insurance Award. To inaugurate this section, we have with us Mr. Praveen Gupta, a veteran in the insurance industry. So would you please welcome him with a round of applause.
Good morning. I am delighted to inaugurate the Festival of Awards by Insurance Alerts. Hearty congratulations Mrs. and Mr. Jain for putting together another stellar event despite the current challenges. Like in any other industry or business, insurance also deserves to recognize its achievers, and more so in the current times when the industry has gone out of the way to look after its customers. So all the very best, and please keep this going. सभी प्रतिस्पर्धियों और विजेताओं को मेरी शुभकामनाएं. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
The first award for Asia's Best Life Insurance Company goes to ICICI Prudential Life Insurance Company Limited for digital presence. Our next award goes to SBI Life Insurance Company Limited for claim management. Our next award goes to Edelweiss Tokyo Life Insurance Company Limited for CSR activity and digital sales channel. And last but not the least, the award goes to Tata AIA Life Insurance Company Limited for innovative efforts. Our last category of award for India's best insurance company goes to ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company Limited as India's best general insurance company.
It's a great honor for all of us at ICICI Lombard to be recognized as the best general insurance company in India. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the organizing committee of Insurance Alerts for this recognition. I would also like to thank our more than 10,000 employees and more than 26 million customers without whom this wouldn't have happened. At ICICI Lombard, our endeavor has been focused on really helping customers at their time of need with the spirit of Nibhaye Waade. That's something that we will continue to endeavor to provide to our customers. At this time, I would also like to take this opportunity to congratulate all the other winners of the different other categories. Together, let's ensure that we build insurance in India to be a world-class service-oriented industry. Thank you again.
Universal Sompo General Insurance Company Limited for customer service.
Congratulations for winning India's best insurance company for customer services.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's a happy feeling. It's a responsible feeling.
Why you nominated yourself under this category?
We have always trusted ourselves. We have always, backed ourselves in terms of our ability to serve the customer, to match up the expectations that the customers have today. And as you know, customers today, if they have received something yesterday, they would expect definitely something better today, something more innovative. And that is what we have been attempting all this while. And in that sense, for that reason, we thought, we deserved to be in this category.
How you feel getting this award?
Well, it's a very happy feeling. It indicates the trust of our 15 lakh plus customers. It indicates acceptance of the brand. But at the same time, it makes us feel responsible. We are conscious of the expectations of the customers. They expect us to keep doing better, and we will strive to do that.
Thank you very much, sir, for your time, and I wish you win more awards in times to come.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Reliance Nippon Life Insurance Company Limited for claim settlement.
It's a great honor for all of us at Reliance Nippon Life Insurance Company to be recognized as India's best insurance company for claim settlement by Insurance Alerts. At Reliance Nippon Life Insurance Company Limited, it's always been our endeavor to ensure that all genuine claims are settled with speed and precision. Claim settlement is the moment of truth for a life insurance policy. The timely and accurate fulfillment of these claims is a true test of the life insurer in being able to stand by the customer when needed the most. We have one of the highest claim settlement ratio of 98.3% as of 30th September 2020. We have fully integrated systems and processes to ensure that claims are settled the fastest. During the time of COVID pandemic, we have settled more than 350 COVID death claims within a processing time of less than 4 days. We have been able to deliver our superior service experience to the claimants through various touchpoints. We have more than 700 plus branch offices across the country where anyone can walk in to lodge a claim and seek query resolution for a claim.
We are also pleased to honor the Insurance Corporation of Afghanistan as Asia's best emerging insurance company. Looking for videos on insurance? You're one-stop shop with more than 50 videos on insurance. You can watch interviews with CEOs, CMOs, COOs, CDOs, educational programs on product, selling, marketing, etc. by insurance gurus. We present to you Insurance Alerts broadcast on YouTube. Our upcoming event is the Insurance Agents Verdict Award. for the best and emerging insurance companies, where insurance agents from all over the country will vote for their favorite insurance company. Our nominations begin from 7th of January 2021. It has been such an honor to be among esteemed, accomplished individuals. आज के हमारे कार्यक्रम का समय खत्म होता जा रहा है, लेकिन आज के कार्यक्रम को इतनी ऊंचाई तक पहुंचाने के लिए मैं हमारे दर्शकों का तहे दिल से धन्यवाद कहना चाहती हूं और हमारे एस्टीम्ड चीफ गेस्ट, हमारे स्पॉन्सर्स एडलवाइस टोक्यो लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कंपनी लिमिटेड, एजेंट्स, इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज, ब्रोकर्स, TPAs, इन सब जिन्होंने हम पर विश्वास किया, मैं इंश्योरेंस अलर्ट्स की तरफ से उनका तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ. We wish you all a very happy new year and a prosperous 2021. May this year bring for all of us peace, joy, happiness and prosperity.